not really enough.
These are a lot of crops. But for just one family of 3, it could last maybe one day of 4 different courses of meals. And this is just one lonely boy who probably
My tummy
eats.
hurts because I'm hungry, because that's not enough food for me. I need a lot of space. I'm polluting the earth. Stop it there.
Probably.